Do you know what is the difference between me and all the other people? I show you what I'm doing and the exact way how I get rich over time. And there is nothing in the world which could stop me, because currently we are in a downwards trend. That means you can buy all the stocks in the world and all the crypto in the world in a sale. It feels like we have Black Friday in the middle of March. And with that, guys, let us check what is currently going on in the world. And I'm not just speaking about it, I show you exactly what I'm doing. And that is a huge benefit for all of you. I started with my crypto portfolio on 30th of January and I put in around $560. So as you can see, it went down because the whole crypto market at the moment is going bad. But this opens up a lot of opportunities. And I don't know if I would suggest it or not to every one of you. I just want to show you what I'm currently doing because I want to take the chance, and hopefully you as well, to get wealthy in the future. And rich has a lot of different meanings. Here you can see these are the biggest crypto ordered after the market cap. And as you can see, Bitcoin is the number one with $1.6 trillion in market cap. The number is so insane that it's even more worth than a lot of companies together. You have at the second place Ethereum, which is overall also very big. But if we just check Ethereum as an example and it has a bigger growth potential, you will see immediately something. In comparison to Bitcoin, it went through the roof. If we just look at the last year, so that means if you started investing, you made a lot of profit. And currently, as you can see here on after the Trump election on the December 2nd, it went to almost to an all-time high of over $4,000. And currently, as you can see, it is at $1,877. That means you have 50% off the all-time value. And you can see here what I own, but this is just one of my broker. And I tried to take the chance to buy a little bit more of it. I usually don't put in huge numbers. And this is not a huge number in my case. But with such an opportunity, I have to do that. Because otherwise, I don't know what will happen. And I don't want to regret anything. I'm not an expert in crypto, but this is one thing that I want to buy with my next paycheck. So I want to buy Bitcoin because this is the digital gold. I want to buy Ethereum because it is currently in a sale and every game or a lot of other crypto is working on the Ethereum platform. That means they try to build competition for Ethereum with, for example, Solana, or if we scroll a little bit down, we have Sui, and all a couple of months they say like we have a new Solana killer as well, Aptos. But these three which I showed you, like Aptos, Sui and Solana, are as well in my portfolio. I as well will put more money into Cardano because I see a lot of opportunities in that. And guys, please, this is not a recommendation. This is just the things that I'm doing and you will see how much money I will put in. And the next part, I was almost at 11,000. It's not looking that great. If you look at the overall performance, I'm around just $143 in a profit. And that's not huge. I need the 7 to 12%. And the only things that saves me up currently, and I just want to show you that, are ETFs, which I bought a long time ago. They are currently down, but my cost average is still very low in comparison to the falling price. That means currently, for example, the MSCI World, which I bought, is at 115 USD per ETF, and my average price is just around $104. That means I'm still in a profit. And I wouldn't imagine that one day 29 stocks of Xiaomi will bring me such a high profit. I'm honest, I never would imagine that. I just bought it in case it will grow. As you can currently see, the US market is really going down, and that's open up a lot of opportunities. So if we go down, you will see a lot of my stocks because I really strongly believe in the US. That means my biggest holdings like Woo and Google as a single stock is one, and it makes sense, which I'm currently in the biggest loss. But if we look, for example, at Google, the all-time high was around $210 per stock. And as you can see, it fell down. But the people don't understand. In the future, this is just the start. It could look like here on the 21st of November. You see it went down. And after that, the market recovered and you get the new all-time high. So for me, I believe strongly in Google and I will buy even more stocks of it. A lot of people say like because of the AI topics and ChatGPT, they will lose the trend and not a lot of people will not use Google search anymore. And I can't believe it because Google search is still a big player and Google is not just get famous for Google search. And I know they earn a lot of their profit just from Google search, but overall they have even more. They have a lot of other things as well. And I was telling you about the cost average, and here we have it as well, but just in the opposite side. That means the cost average for my WU ETF, which is the S&P 500 from Vanguard, that means the 500 of the most valuable companies of the US are inside of it, is currently at 544 USD. And that means with the price of today, with almost $509, my cost average will go down. And currently I lost 200 USD just in this ETF. And this is not a normal case. And I bought it when it was over 550 USD. That means I have not a lot to lose because I bought it when it was with a higher price. Because I know in the future it will go to over 1000 per ETF. And I'm pretty sure about that. But still, it is not a recommendation from my side. Guys, I just want to tell you, these are big opportunities and I will put a lot of money inside of my accounts in crypto and as well in my ETFs and stocks. And with that, I just try to figure out the way of the 9 to 5, and my channel is Investing Rich. That means I try to invest to get rich and show you how I did it, and you can do it as well. So with that, guys, thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye bye.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.